Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial we'll be going through how to make this kind of shape. So this shape is not centered at the origin. As you can see, the origin is here and it is inclined to the horizontal as well as the vertical. So we'll look at how to make these kind of shapes in Sketcher which are not vertical or horizontal. Let's go to the Sketcher environment. Start making the sketch. Select the sketch. So the first thing I'm going to make is I'm going to make a oriented rectangle which is at an orientation to the horizontal. As you can see, it is at an angle. I'll be defining that angle. Say it's at 30 degrees, and then the dimension of this point, this corner of the rectangle with respect to the horizontal is defined. And the size of the rectangle. So then I make a center line, a line which is perpendicular to the rectangle line. So instead of this auto constraint, let me just give it the perpendicularity constraint. I select this line and select this line, the line on the rectangle and the line which I have made, and select the perpendicularity constraint. So now the center line has become constraint. Now I need to make one more line at a distance to this 150, and I want to mirror this line with respect to this one, and I'll make the center line as construction element. Now I need to make the circle. Define the radius. Define the location of the circle with respect to the rectangle, and then trim off the portions which are not required. This one, and this one, and also this one. Also over here in the rectangle, say yes. So this is your final shape which closely matches to this one. So we first made an oriented rectangle, then we made a center line, then we made one line and made a symmetry, made a mirror of that line so that they would make two parallel lines, and then we made a circle at the center of those two parallel lines, and then we dimensioned them, everything, to define them in the workspace. So this is the exercise number 5 on the Sketcher environment.